Action!
Hello, I will be your host, Zuby Bobofish, and welcome to the Science Bi-Weekly at 7:39 specifically. In today's episode, we will cover two topics about our ocean. Artificial reef creation according to Artificial Reef Design by MIT engineers, written by Jennifer Chu. Artificial reef creation is when scientists implant pieces of coral and other structures into an ecosystem, trying to create a reef usually after a natural disaster or reef destruction. We will be covering how these reefs affect the ocean, and according to the Marine Biology Conservation Society, how these reefs benefit our oceanic environment as well as how they are created. Now introducing this episode's special guest, a pharmacist named Definitely Not Heinz Doofenshmirtz.
Evil scientist, not pharmacist, evil
Okay, evil scientist, here to speak on the benefit of artificial reef creation and the ocean herself, here to speak on how artificial reef creation affects her.
It's truly an honor to have me, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, now we go to our scientists. Dang, we are working with some weirdos this episode.
Hello, I am the evil scientist, definitely not Heinz Doofenshmirtz, and I am here today to show you my latest innovator, the Penguinator. Wait, that's not why I'm here? Then what's the point? Fine, what is this? Okay. Hello, I am the evil scientist, definitely not Heinz Doofenshmirtz. Here to tell you about artificial reef creation. Artificial reefs are created in the wake of natural disasters and reef destruction. These artificial reefs are made by scientists, like myself, out of coral and other items, like sunken ships. According to NOAA, who's NOAA? And the Marine Conservation Society, some benefits of these reefs include increased biodiversity and erosion control. These factors can keep parts of the ocean healthy by attracting more species to increase biodiversity and control cliff erosion. These factors keep the ocean healthy by attracting more fish species for biodiversity and control cliff erosion, protecting the ocean from large amounts of possibly harmful land mineral dumps. Now we cut to the affected persons, the ocean herself. How does that work? The ocean can talk? What's the logistics of that?
Up where they walk, up where they
Ocean,
run.
we're filming,
up where-
we're filming.
What am I supposed to say?
Take it.
Oh. In this dance of tidal waves and currents, who wrote this? Artificial reefs emerge and patterns upon the seafloor. Structures of oil rings and selectively designed models mimic the formation of natural reefs, providing surface for marine life to colonize. These patterns are not mere habitatness. They are carefully crafted to enhance biodiversity and ecosystem complexity. They introduce the artificial reef, bringing about significant ecological change, but offer new habitats. These structures can increase marine biodiversity, affecting fish populations, and support local fisheries. Am I done?
Yes, thank you, Ms.
Thank
Ocean.
you.
Well, that sure was informative. Thank you so much for coming to this episode of our show. Do you have any final remarks, Mr. Evil Scientist?
Where is that dang platypus?
Okay, well, what are your thoughts, Miss Ocean?
Well, I believe that. I think somebody needs my help.
Okay, and now for a quick recap of today's episode. We learned from Definitely Not Heinz Doofenshmirtz that artificial reefs keep the ocean healthy by attracting more species to increase biodiversity and protect the ocean from large amounts of land mineral dumps. We also talked to the ocean about how the introduction of artificial reefs brings about significant ecological changes by offering new habitats. What weirdos. Anyways, thanks for watching this episode of Science Bi-Weekly at 7:39 specifically. We hope to see you next week at 7:39 specifically.